Hi, my name's Namrita and I'm a doctor. Esselwoods was actually a discovery for me. My mother recommended the school, and I just moved in after 5 years, and then I was looking for a place to send my daughter. My mother recommended the school. She heard from some of her friends. So this is the best part. The only reason I actually got my daughter here was because it's the closest to my place. But to be honest, after coming here, I don't even want to look at another school. I'm very, very happy.
And one of the things I loved about this school is it's just the atmosphere of this school as we walk in. It's really open. It feels like a really nice place for Jay to develop his personality or education or abilities and all of that. And it's got a lot of open space. There's light, there's ventilation. So it's a very beautiful atmosphere.
నేమ్ ఈస్ ప్రసన్న. యాక్చువల్గా బేసిల్ వుడ్స్ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే ఒక 4 పాయింట్స్లో ఈజీగా చెప్పేయచ్చండి. ఫస్ట్ స్పిరిచువాలిటీ, ఫుడ్ అండ్ స్టడీస్ అండ్ డిసిప్లైన్ అండి.
I can see like from my previous half an year he has improved a lot in terms of focus and in terms of his fine motor skills. So he has learned a lot. Like now he is able to tie his own shoes and he is able to do most of his work on his own. Like
For my daughter, it's a family after her. It's like another house after house. She's so happy to go every day. Everything, I'm very happy. She comes, she's been here only for 3 months, but I can see a changed person. My daughter is so happy to come here every day. Every day morning she gets up, she's like she wants to go to school. I think it's very positive. And if somebody asks me, I said, the school is the best thing that's happened to both my kids. I've actually recently started my 1.5-year-old daughter also. I've started sending her also here. And I'm very, very, very happy to send her here.
And also the culture connect in terms of the kids reciting slokas, kirtans, and it's really amazing to see my little champ, my daughter who is just 2-year-old actually chanting slokas, which I mean initially she wasn't able to speak much, but now she has become very expressive and she started talking to people. She started being socializing with the other kids, and also she wherever we go she is only talking about her school. And even my son has improved a lot in terms of getting that confidence level, to talk to people, how to talk to elders especially.
Slowly transition these kids to be more independent, and I've noticed that at home as well. My daughter wants to take the shoes off, wants to get down through a specific way where there are steps. She keeps those shoes at the shoe rack, and I think she wants everything to be in order even at home. I think that's all coming through Basil Woods.
So I think it's made a huge difference to my son Jay, because after I've put him in the school, I think he's able to do a lot of things. He's able to grasp concepts much better than he used to before, because I think as a Montessori system it's very hands-on. They touch things, they play with things, and that's how they learn. And I mean, what other better system can there be other than to learn through play? So I feel that he actually enjoys going to school. He has fun. He has a lot of exciting things he talks about when he comes back. So it's really nice to send him to school every day.
బట్టి పట్టే విధానాన్ని పూర్తిగా మర్చిపోవచ్చు ఈ స్కూల్లో. ప్రతిదీ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పాయింట్ కూడా ప్రాక్టికల్గా పిల్లలకి స్పష్టంగా అర్థమయ్యేలాగా నేర్పిస్తారు ఇక్కడ. వొకాబులరీ అయితే ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీగా ఉందండి. మా బాబు ఇంగ్లీష్ ఫ్లూయెన్సీ అయితే చాలా చాలా బాగుంది.
And especially the staff and the teachers over here are really very good to the kids, and they are looking them in a very pleasant way. I did not find any day that she is not interested to go to school, because every day she wants to go to school, and even on Sundays she asks me, Saturdays and Sundays, where is the school? I just really want to go there. And there was one situation where I brought my kid to the school. I showed the lock and the shutter is down really, and then she was quiet. Every day she asks us, let's go to the school.
Cultural aspect, I think that is the best part about this place. In this today's time, where we want the children to have some amount of cultural connect.
And I'm so glad I made this decision to send him to Basil Woods, is because I feel this has become like a home away from home for him. It's a very comfortable atmosphere. The teachers are very nice. I mean, they really know my kid, and I'm assuming all the other kids as well. They know his personality, they know what his quirks are, and at this age it's really great for them to be able to see him as a person by himself, because every child I'm assuming has different needs, and I genuinely think they take this effort to ensure my son's needs are met whilst trying to make him fit into the overall group, because that's also important.
And she didn't know even I'll say a word of English to start with, but now after a period of 5 months she has learned. She talks quite a lot, I guess, but there is still more to learn, of course, but a lot of improvement I can see.
I think I really like the way the teachers are super involved in my son's education. It's not just education, it's about his personality development. I think they genuinely care, and I think that's amazing about the school. So very rarely do you find people who are so invested in your child and making him a better individual and a better person. So that's why I'm really very happy to have sent Jay here.
And my kid enjoy to come to school every day. Every day he wakes up and asks like, I want to go to school. That is the kind of environment my kid is getting here.
స్పిరిచువాలిటీ పరంగా చూస్తే పిల్లలకి ఈ వయసులో భగవద్గీత శ్లోకాస్ నేర్పించే ఏకైక స్కూల్ వచ్చేసి బేసిల్ వుడ్స్ మాత్రమే. ఇంకెక్కడ చదువుతో పాటు స్పిరిచువాలిటీ ఏ స్కూల్లో నేర్పించరు. సో 4 years బాయ్ భగవద్గీత శ్లోకాస్ ఫ్లూయెంట్గా చెప్తున్నాడంటే చాలా గ్రేట్. తన వల్ల మేము కూడా నేర్చుకోగలుగుతున్నాం బాగా.
All the good habits like what to do if he is taking something from somewhere, he knows that I have to keep it in the place. He doesn't throw it anywhere. So it's a very good development.
We were looking for a place where education is not transfer of information anymore, but transform my child to a well-rounded human being. And when we came here and spoke with the teachers, we felt that Basil Woods could be an ideal platform to bring that in my child.
Morning to evening, they take very good care of the child. The cleanliness is a very important factor. They keep things, everything is very neat and clean, and children are also taken good care of.
I think Jay has grown amazingly as a person in this year. He's learned a lot of things, be understanding discipline or a bit of structure, but also being a lot more creative. I think he's been pushed a little more beyond his comfort zone, which is great at this age, and I think he's learning a lot. His learning curve has been amazing.
I think the school concentrates more on overall and all-round development of the child. So whereas her food habits, the way she talks or the way she behaves, everything, I think they concentrate on everything, and I am very happy. Though everybody is very happy, I'm really glad I found this place.
Complete staff was always approachable. I don't think any other school would allow so much of interaction with parents. So apart from parent-teacher meetings, planned parent-teacher meetings, we had opportunity to discuss openly our concerns, if any, our feedback, if any, our questions about the Montessori method, all these kind of things. We always had a listening staff which considered our feedback actively.
So as a parent, your expectation is that your son is out of the comfort zone, which is actually the parents in the home, and also he should not develop a fear about going to school. So this is something which I was expecting when I sent my son to the school. So at this moment I can say that Basil Woods has been a very good school in making sure that he doesn't develop the fear of going into a school. He loves his teachers here.
I see a huge change in Jay, because he sort of, it could be a thing which is like he knows a lot of prayers. He genuinely is very interested in praying every morning because he's very excited about this whole process.
He learns through activities, so he has got a lot of practical knowledge about it. If I am cutting the vegetables, if I am cooking and all, he can relate all these things because of his experience in school.
Overall, like it is a good school. Like it's a good choice we made for Medha. So she has been learning a lot here, and yes, she tries to practice that at home as well.
He will do everything on his own. He will not allow us to touch anything. He wants to do everything on his own. That is because of the school.
That we're very happy, and I'm very glad that I've sent Jay here, because I think his basics are falling in place perfectly the way I've envisioned it to be. So
It's like the elders, the grandparents specifically, they're so happy that kids are learning that nowadays. And the best part is instead of previously, at maybe when we were kids and all, we had to, our parents were very insistent, they wanted us to teach us. But today the child is learning it in school, and I think overall physical, cultural, mental, everything, if they're learning these things also in school, I can just generally say that as parents we don't have to teach them anything after they've gone to Bessel Woods. Thank you.